Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to use Bluestacks for Android apps. Bluestacks is an Android emulator. For those that don't know what an emulator is, it is basically a software that allows one system to behave like another one. In this case, Bluestacks allows a PC to behave like an Android phone or tablet. To begin, first you'll need to download Bluestacks. I would recommend using Bluestacks 5 as I have personally used it for years now without any issues. On Google, type Bluestacks and head to their website. Next, click on Download Bluestacks 5 and open the exe and install it. Once it has been installed, open Bluestacks. You'll see it is very similar to your average Android phone or tablet. To install apps, go to System Apps and click on Play Store. You can download any apps you would like. You can also download APK files. To install one, go to Google and find an APK you would like to use. Download it, then head over to Bluestacks. On Bluestacks, click on Install APK and select the APK file. And that's it, now you're done. If you have any questions, comment them down below. Thank you for watching.